Hello everybody, and welcome to Stacks in the City. I'm Ashley. I want to say hello and welcome and thank you as always for taking time out of your busy schedule and your busy lives to listen to me talk about my favorite subject, which is money. And if you haven't done so already, definitely make sure that you like, comment, and please subscribe. I have videos coming out almost every day on ways to get your money right, ways to get this money correct, anything and everything you could do when it comes to investing, real estating, money making, shopping, all the ings, y'all. We're just action verbing all the way over here. Now, you all, so I've been getting so many questions from you all. It's super dope. But one of the biggest questions I get from you all is, of course, about the investing piece. Now, again, I am pretty new when it comes to investing in my own portfolio. However, I do want to share with you some of the knowledge and the wealth that I've obtained from various sources and books and reading. I just want to pass it on to you guys. A lot of people have been asking me, well, I don't know, stocks, I'm confused. The market's so confusing. I just don't understand how it works. I don't know what to pay. Okay, so let's say you are interested in starting your stock market. Let's say that you've opened up some investment account. We have a Fidelity. We have a Robinhood. We have an E-Trade. We have I don't even know. And we're just trying to figure out exactly what stocks are available for me to pick and choose. How do I even know what's going to be a good stock? But y'all, if you're a shopper, then you're automatically going to be a buyer. You're already invested in something that you like so much, so you might as well get a piece of your own pie. So, again, you all, I know I keep some of this book, Invested by Danielle Town. It is so good, you all. Again, I paused for I took a 3-month hiatus because I'm reading the Berkshire Hathaway papers, which are long, but I'm getting through them. And, her book is great. This book is really great. But she wants us to ask 4 questions when you are picking and choosing a stock. 4 questions. So I'm going to read directly from the book. We're going to put on my reading glasses. Oh, I guess I have them. So I'm going to be reading all 4, and I'm going to explain them. And I'm going to show you exactly how I've been doing it and all that fun stuff. Okay, let's get started. So from the book, page 99, it says that in order for you to pick out a stock, it has to be a business that you are able to understand. It needs to be a business with some intrinsic characteristics that give it durable competitive advantage. It has to be a business that has management with integrity and talent. And it has to be a business that you can buy for a price that makes sense in the margin of safety. What does that all mean? All right, let's break it down. Number 1, a business that you can understand. Y'all, if y'all don't understand how REITs work, if you don't understand how venture capitalism works, if you don't understand how some other crazy esoteric concept works, then maybe this ain't for you. Maybe this company ain't for you. However, first of all, you need to learn some of these terms, like a mutual fund you need to learn, and index funds you need to learn. But other companies you are already capable of understanding. A great example of that is the Nike company. We all know about Nike. We all have a pair of Nike shoes. We all owned a pair of J's. I had a pair of Air Forces when I was 12. I was pressed for them. They weren't even cute on my feet. I looked anyway, no, we digress. So, all right, let's use Nike. So, a company that you're capable of understanding. We know that Nike is a shoe company. We know they make shoes and apparel and sportswear. And you're looking cute and sexy in your nice little Nike athleisure. Even if you may or may not be in the gym, they're still getting this money. All right, so we understand that. Number 2, the business with intrinsic characteristics that give it a durable competitive advantage. Y'all, who's in Nike's pie? Who's in Nike's game? Who's in Nike's league? We got Under Armour, Puma, New Balance, Reebok. Does it have so when you comparing all of them things, who is more important? Who is the one that you're most excited about? Is it New Balance? Is it Puma? Is it, I don't know, who do you know? You know what has the competitive advantage. Is Nike going to win in a competition against New Balance and Puma? Yes or no? You know that, y'all. You already know without doing research. You know, because you buy Nike shoes. You buy Nike leggings. You buy the Dry Fit. Okay. It has to be a business that has management with integrity and talent. Basically, is the company going down the drain? Is the CEO on point? This does require a little bit of work. It requires a little bit of elbow grease, requires a little bit of reading. There's this, you would know if your company's dissolving. The CEO or whoever the leader of your company is makes the decisions for the company. So if the CEO is having a scandal, if the CEO is in bankruptcy, if the CEO is going through some things, then that may not be the company to invest in, because that one CEO is going to affect the entire company. Now, the CEO of Nike's name is Mark Parker. That's his name. As far as I can tell, that man ain't been going through no things. All I got when I look at the news, when I research him, is that he got a huge raise. So I guess all that brand campaigning with taking the knee has been working in his favor. Just saying. So as long as you guys in the clear, whoever's on his team is keeping this dirt under wraps, I'm just saying, we're good to go. All right, the last question. It must be a business that you can buy for a price that makes sense and gives a margin of safety. So basically that means just buying at a price that you're comfortable with and a price that you know is going to go up. Or you're buying at a price that is undervalued, which is value investing, but that's a whole other subject that we can cover later. Long story short, you all, when you're assessing a company, you want to look at the CEO, you want to look at the competition. Do you think that your company can ban the competition? Is the CEO on point? Do you see goodness coming from the company 5 years from now? And you know that answer too. Nike, for example, has had fantastic ad campaigns that have continued to benefit and to incorporate diverse cultures into its marketing. And it has worked. With Under Armour, Seth Curry has recently signed a deal with Under Armour to create a shoe exclusively sold on the label. And that's a very good way to combat the competition that is Nike. Seth Curry is a very relevant basketball player. He's one of the most popular basketball players. He has kids. Could that be a good business move 5 to 10 years from now? These are the things that you have to think about. This is how you choose a stock, you all. That's it. We know, especially when it comes to our retail, we know if something's good or not because we shop there. If we really are interested, we'll know the news. All my basketball people that out there, I know y'all know what's up because you're very, very much so actively involved with this culture. So by all means, purchase it, buy it, and you'll see it go up. So guys, wow. That was a marathon, y'all. Not even a sprint, a marathon. But if you guys can answer those essential questions, those 4 questions, basically knowing your CEO, who's the leader, making sure that this stock could be good 5 years from now, looking at the competition, making sure that you're purchasing at a price that you're comfortable with, knowing that it's going to go up. Those are the questions that you think about before you evaluate, before you purchase a stock. It's not hard, y'all. You're purchasing a piece of the pie, a piece of the company. You buy the company, you buy products from the company, might as well buy a piece of the company. We're just shopping, you guys. We're just doing a big, big shop. Okay, guys, as always, you guys are phenomenal. If you like what you see, definitely make sure that you rate, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. I am reading those comments. You guys are amazing, and please keep them coming. You all are truly phenomenal. I cannot wait to talk to you all again. And until then, au revoir. Mwah.